Workflow in a garment industry. Quality Control Department. Responsibilities of the Quality Control Department may vary organization to organization, but main activities almost remain the same. The Quality Assurance Department in apparel industry divides their work into different stages of production like pre-inspection, in-line inspection, end-line inspection, and final inspection. In addition to identifying manufacturing defects, employees tasked with performing quality assurance are also looking for cosmetic flaws, stains, or other spots on the garment that may have occurred during the cutting and sewing processes. Spots are often marked with a sticker and taken to a spot cleaning area where the garment is cleaned using steam, hot water, or chemical stain removers. Quality testing can be done within the factory or by outside agencies. Activities of Quality Control Department are as follows: setting up quality standards, establishing quality SOP standard operating procedure, quality assurance, quality control activities at the pre-production stage, preparing the audit report of fabric and trims quality, ensure the quality aspects of samples, ensure that no faulty fabric is sent for cutting, conducting pre-production meeting before production start, conduct in-process inspection or DUPRO during production inspection, and final inspection or FRI, final random inspection. Verify packaging, labeling, instructions and markings comply with mandatory standards. Finishing and Packing Department. Stitched garments are finished prior to packing into poly bag. After stitching, the garments are prepared for packing. Extra threads are trimmed, the garment is checked and defects and spots are identified. Washing of garments, stain removing, etc. is also done as per the customer requirements. Fusing and pressing are two processes which have the greatest influence on the finished look of a garment. Fusing creates the foundation and pressing put the final seal of quality on the garment. Pressing or ironing is the most important finishing process in the ready-made garment sector, which is done by subjecting a cloth to heat and pressure with or without steam to remove unwanted creases and to impart a flat appearance to the garment. In the last steps of making a product retail ready, garments are folded, tagged, sized, and packaged according to customer specifications. Packing department in a factory works side by side of the finishing department. Garments may be placed in protective plastic bags, either manually or using an automated system to ensure that the material stays clean and pressed during shipping. Lastly, garments are placed in cardboard boxes and shipped to client distribution centers to eventually be sold in retail stores. Based on product categories, finishing room activities may vary. Activities of the finishing department are listed below. Thread trimming removes extra threads from the garment at the stitched areas. Stain removing and garment washing. Garment pressing or ironing. Checking. Folding and tagging. The packing is done in carton boxes. Individual packing of garments in the poly bag and folding the garments is also done. Shipping and Documentation Department. Shipping and Documentation Department prepares shipment-related documents. They communicate with buyers for shipment dispatch and send the shipment to buyers. Industrial Engineering Department. Industrial Engineering Department assists production department in setting line, improving production and measuring production performance. IE department plays a great role in ensuring operational efficiency and work plan. In a typical garment unit, Industrial Engineering Department handles following activities: selection of machines and work aids and number of machines for each operation of a particular order, time study and capacity study of operators, methods, developments and analysis as side of quality and quantity, line balancing, hourly production monitoring and achieve the line target, prepare a man-machine report, line cost calculation, floor capacity calculation, develop detailed production methods and documentation of all methods using appropriate manuals and computer-based system, operator performance improvement and training program, improving productivity through a detailed analysis of the process by process. Accounting Department. They manage accounts of the company, maintain records of supplier payment and follow up with buyers for pending payment. Accounting Department prepare payroll for employee and give payments to workers. This department is involved in all kinds of payment and cash management. Human Resource and Administration. This department is concerned about the social issues of the employee. They look after recruiting and employee welfare. This department maintains employee attendance and absent records. They handle labor issues, factory compliance and social compliance, new employee orientation programs. Machine Maintenance Department. This department repair machines and look after the maintenance of sewing machines. Major activities of the Machine Maintenance Department are machine setup, inspection of sewing machines and other machinery in the factory, repairing and upgradation, maintaining and ensuring continuous power supply in the factory, planning, design and implement any kind of expansion of the factory, and purchase of new machinery, issuing of different spare parts and accessories according to the production requirement. The complete garment must undergo several processes from its availability to shipment. During the production of garments, proper planning and execution of works are required to complete the order easily. A flow chart will help to understand how to produce clothing and how materials are transformed into clothing easily.